Do I say my name? Like, this is my first one. What do I do?
I don't know.
Hi. So a bunch of my clients have been asking me how to do a beach wave with a flat iron. You can do it with the beach waver, like the actual hot iron tool, but it's easier to do with just flat iron because you do tight curls, loose curls, wave, straighten, all with flat iron. So I'm gonna show you how to do it with the flat iron. Okay, I'm gonna be covered. Breath.
Hey, I also have a YouTube channel and I started mine before her, so y'all should follow me first. Sydney Wright. I do not do hair tutorials. I did a makeup tutorial in one video, don't remember which one, but it was terrible, so anyway, follow me, Sydney Wright.
So you can do a beach wave with the flat iron, super easy, but kind of hard to explain, so I'm gonna show you. Whenever you do, you take a piece, whenever you're about to do the wave, whatever way you want the wave to curve first, that's the way you're gonna do the flat iron. So you'll just clamp, and so let's say I want it to go this way first, you'll literally just move it in this motion, hold it, count to 1, 2, and then you'll take it out, like pull it out of the little curve, and then just do it the opposite way. And so you'll just keep continuing the motion all the way down. Basically, you're just ironing the wave pattern basically in the hair. But also, if you have like dry hair and like brittle, don't put it on high heat. And another thing I was gonna say was the higher the heat you go with the flat iron, it's gonna be the tighter or the more formed of the wave. So if you do it on a low heat, it's gonna be more natural, and if you do it on a higher heat, it's gonna be very distinctive. So this one, this way it was made with 360. So it's kind of dead, but her hair is more straighter anyway, so you just keep doing that. I'm doing another one to show y'all, then I'll do her whole head. So again, I'm gonna you can, for the whole head, you can literally just keep changing up the pattern so it looks more natural instead of like a crimper look. But at the end, it really does look so pretty. And it's easier to do the waves, the curls, and the straightening all with the flat iron rather than having 3 whole different tools.
Saves you money.
So see? Okay, I'm gonna go do her whole head real quick. Okay. So this is the finished product. Took a little long, but. So basically you can get beach waves with the flat iron. It's either more natural and it's not really a full curl, but it's kind of messy. It's super cute. So I hope that made sense.
Now you sit. Okay, so we're gonna go back and we're gonna watch the video and I'm gonna see if she's a good enough teacher that I can do it to her hair.
Yeah, now think about it, I don't think I taught it well enough, but this is my first video, so
she's learning.
we'll see.
Oh, that's good. I like it. Except I hate my bangs because they won't
Well, I
grow.
didn't really touch those.
No,
Really
I know.
see how they have.
No, I know they've grown, but
And
I
then-
want them to be normal.
Oh my gosh, I love this, isn't it?
I know. I like it.
So instead of braiding your hair and then having too perfect of a crimp, this is kind of the look it's going for, but it's not, it's more messier and more like natural looking.
It's more like you're on the beach and your hair waved. A beach wave.
I didn't, you want me to show you one more time? Can I show that one more time? Because I feel like I didn't get it good enough.
I don't think I grabbed a piece of hair. Turn back. I can't stop laughing.
Okay,
Okay,
big or small?
hold on. You can't even tell I did.
Wait, can I have my phone?
No.
Sassy yourself.
Yeah, sit in the
I'm
chair.
getting my phone.
Okay, so you take a piece of hair and you go in. Wait, out. Hold on. Take it and you go in, out, down. I'm straightening your hair. Hold on. In, out, in. It curled a little bit. Oh, the bottom did good. No, it didn't. I'm lying to myself. Look, I can braid like no
She
other,
could braid like nobody's business.
but I can't style
So
hair.
let me try to do a piece on mine because I feel like I didn't teach well enough. Okay, so the first piece you're wanting to do, I'm gonna show one more time. The way you want the first wave pattern to go, that's the way you're gonna pull your flat iron. Do a big piece, that's how big it's supposed to be.
Oh.
So hold it, 1, 2.
Oh!
1, 2.
I want to retry.
Okay. It is really confusing, and
No, I know.
if you've already straightened your hair too on top of that, it might not go as well. I just messed up that piece, but
It's okay. Wait.
so you see what I'm saying? It's like a. Also, if y'all know anything about finger waves, that's kind of like the shape it's going. It's like literally like a wave instead of any kind of curls. So
Sit.
let's see if I told her to fit this time.
No, look at you.
Also, God forbid, y'all, anybody who tries, don't put it on 420 and don't hold it too long, because
That's how you breathe.
it will fry.
Okay, I'm gonna do this. So you get your piece, and you're gonna go. Oh, that was weird. You're gonna go in, 1, 2, in, 1, 2. I don't think I'm gonna.
You gotta like almost curve really hard so it like forms that actual wave. in it.
I see a crease.
Yeah, that's the word, crease. I said wave, but
Wait, that's better than what I did earlier.
okay. See, that is starting to.
I see it.
It really is. Okay, see, so if she can do it, anybody can do it.
Look, that's not the best. Wait, turn a little bit. That's not the best, but that is. I see waves.
I see waves.
I see waves. All right, let me try one more time. All right.
It really is.
So you're gonna turn in sharp. 1, your mom. Turn back. 2, your mom. 3, your mom. Your mom. Your mom. Wait, I did it!
You did
hold
it?
on. No. This together is. Oh, I'm learning. Maybe I can do this on my hair. Look
It
at
really
it.
does look good. Yay. So that's how you do the beach wave. Except this is all straight, so. But look, let's show yours again.
Okay. This can be the thumbnail. So I look cute.
Okay, hold on.
Oh my god. I can breathe.
Wait, my hair.
Right.
Oh, wait, your head's not even in it. Okay.
My thighs can't do that.
It was so that's how you do a beach wave. And if you would like to see more, let me know. I could do also I might do another video of highlights, maybe a silver. Also, I had one of my clients actually just text me and say you can put me on a video of doing neon pieces on blonde hair. So I might do that. But if y'all would like to see more, let me know. Bye.